Alright guys, what's going on? It's Sing Whips here, back at it again today. So I actually ended up lemon lawing my 2020 Mustang GT, and in place of that I picked up a 2022 Mustang Mach 1 handling package in Grabber Blue. So before we get to the owner's kit, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some clips slash pictures of my vehicle. I hope you guys like that. So yeah, that's my 2022 Mach 1 handling package in Grabber Blue. We have done a couple of things on it, like put new wheels and Euro taillights on it. I'll try to incorporate videos and photos and whatnot just to show you guys a better representation of what I'm talking about. But for this video, we're going to talk about the owner's welcome kit. Or as Ford just calls it, it's the Mach 1's owner kit. So the first thing we're going to start off with is the owner's pamphlet. So this one has like a plaque in the middle. So that's my VIN number. I don't think you can do anything with it, but you know, it's out there. I think it's not going to do any harm if I share that with you guys. I did get the 10-speed. It talks about the larger throttle body, the GT350 components, the horsepower, the RPM, and whatnot. Pretty cool. This centerpiece right here, I might end up framing this just because this is probably the coolest thing that came out of this whole owner's kit other than that, but we'll get to that. I did forget to mention, it does have some more information on the back sides as well. So you can see that. Pretty cool stuff, but you know, just some stuff about the car. Next thing is this small little card. I guess it's just like I don't know what you want to call this, but you can go ahead, pause that, read it if you like. Moving on, the thing it comes with is this letter from Ford Performance signed by the Mustang marketing manager James P. Owen II. You can pause that and read it if you'd like. Kind of like the fact they drop a phone number if we ever need to call them. I don't know about what, but you know, that's pretty cool. Third up, we have some promotional pictures of the Mach 1. Really nice quality, again, some frame-worthy stuff, but if I did pick up a fighter jet gray car, I would frame these, but I did pick up a Grabber Blue car, so I don't think I'll frame these, but again, just really cool to have. All right, now lastly, what we have here is what actually comes out of this box right here. So this is I don't know exactly, these are the gears that come out of the Tremec. You know, I wouldn't know what they would give you if they made one for the 10-speed as well. Maybe some framed paddle shifters, I guess, but it's pretty cool. You got the chassis number right there. And then this is a tow hook the car could get installed with. They do display it right here. If you take a look at this picture right here, right underneath that, I guess you want to call the hole in the grill for the Mach 1, right below, you see that square right there? You pop that piece out and you put the tow hook in. I've seen some other people put a license plate holder in that area, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to really do it. I don't know. It's just really interesting that, you know, I mean, does the Mach 1 have towing capabilities? Probably not, but does it look cool? Hell yeah. So yeah, that is it for the Mach 1 owner's kit. Sorry if I was rambling a bit. I am not good at making videos, but I thought this was pretty cool to share with you guys. My fellow Mach 1 owners, let me know how long it took you guys to get yours. Mine took about 25 days. It's currently January 10th right now. I picked up the car on December 20th, I believe. So it's been close to 20 days, 25 days, something like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I make content with my Ferrari 488 GTB and the Mach 1. And I always am featuring my friends who have cars as well. We're just out here having a good time. And yeah, this is your boy Sing Whips. Follow the channel. Follow my Instagram. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you have any questions. There is a phone number I could get to my fellow Mach 1 owners if they'd like to call Ford Performance to see where their kit is. But other than that, it's been a pleasure. I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, Sing Whips out. Peace.